Experiencing microphone issues with your Sony WF earbuds, like the WF-1000 XM5, XM4, or XM3? You're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your mic working again. We'll cover common causes and practical solutions to restore your audio for calls and recordings. First, let's quickly confirm the problem to be sure it's the microphone. Before trying any fixes, confirm the issue is with the microphone. Start by testing your Sony WF earbuds with different apps to isolate the problem. Check if the microphone is muted in your device's settings. Open your phone or computer's sound settings and ensure the microphone is not muted or disabled. Verify the microphone settings within the Sony Headphones Connect app. Open the app and navigate to the microphone or audio settings to confirm it's enabled. Try pairing your earbuds with a different device to rule out device-specific problems. Connect to another phone or computer and test the microphone. Finally, check app permissions on your device to ensure microphone access is allowed for all relevant apps. Go to your device's settings and grant microphone permissions. Basic troubleshooting starts with the simplest fixes that often resolve microphone issues quickly. First, clean microphone ports on your earbuds. Use a soft, dry brush to gently remove any dust or debris that might be blocking the microphone. Next, restart your earbuds. Place them in the charging case for about 30 seconds, then take them out. This can reset any temporary software glitches affecting the microphone. Third, ensure your earbuds have sufficient battery charge. Low battery levels can sometimes cause microphone performance issues, so charge them fully before testing. Finally, make sure you have the latest version of the Sony Headphones Connect app installed. Check your app store for updates, as new versions often include microphone fixes. Outdated firmware can cause microphone glitches in your Sony WF earbuds. This happens when the software hasn't been updated to fix bugs or improve performance. Use the Sony Headphones Connect app to check for and install any available firmware updates. Open the app on your smartphone and look for the update section. Within the app, experiment with different noise cancellation and ambient sound settings. These features can sometimes interfere with microphone input, so try toggling them on and off to see if it improves your mic performance. If problems persist after trying updates and settings adjustments, reset the earbuds to factory settings through the app. This will restore them to their original state and may resolve persistent microphone issues. Bluetooth pairing problems can cause microphone malfunctions in your Sony WF earbuds. Let's fix this by repairing and reconnecting the connection. First, unpair your Sony WF earbuds from your device's Bluetooth settings. This clears any corrupted connection data. Next, repair the earbuds by putting them in pairing mode and connecting through your device's Bluetooth menu, following Sony's instructions. Ensure no other Bluetooth devices are interfering. Turn off nearby devices that might compete for the connection. Sometimes, forgetting the device in Bluetooth settings and re-adding it creates a fresh, stable connection. This can resolve persistent issues. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the microphone issue, it's time to consider potential hardware problems. Start by carefully examining your Sony WF earbuds for any signs of physical damage, particularly around the microphone ports located on the earbud stems. Remember that Sony WF earbuds have an IPX4 water resistance rating. This means they are protected against splashes of water from any direction, but they are not waterproof against immersion or excessive moisture. Despite this rating, excessive exposure to moisture, such as heavy sweating or accidental immersion, can still cause microphone malfunctions due to water ingress affecting the internal components. If you suspect water damage, turn off the earbuds immediately and allow them to dry completely in a well-ventilated area. Avoid using heat sources like hair dryers, as they can damage the internal electronics. To speed up the drying process and ensure all moisture is removed, place the earbuds in an airtight container with a desiccant packet, such as silica gel, which will absorb any remaining water vapor. Leave them for 24 to 48 hours before testing again. If the microphone issues persist despite troubleshooting, your earbuds may be defective. Check your warranty status. Contact Sony support for assistance. Sony initiated a voluntary recall program in January 2026 for certain WF-1000 XM5 units with microphone defects. You may be eligible for a free replacement. Have your product information readily available when contacting support. To prevent future microphone problems with your Sony WF earbuds, start by regularly cleaning them. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust from the mic ports and earbud surfaces. This simple maintenance prevents buildup that can interfere with audio input. Next, protect your earbuds from excessive moisture and extreme temperatures. Avoid using them in rain or while sweating heavily, and keep them away from direct sunlight or freezing conditions. The IPX4 rating provides some water resistance, but prolonged exposure can damage internal components. Keep your earbuds firmware updated through the Sony Headphones Connect app. Regular updates often include microphone improvements and bug fixes that enhance call quality and reduce the likelihood of failures. Check for updates monthly to stay current. Consider future models with AI-enhanced microphones, like the upcoming WF-1000 XM6. These use machine learning to adapt to different environments, reducing distortion and improving voice detection. This technology represents the next step in wireless earbud reliability. Finally, stay informed about Sony updates and recall programs. Follow Sony's official website and community forums for announcements about fixes or replacements. Being proactive helps you address potential issues before they become problems. By following these preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of microphone issues and enjoy reliable performance from your Sony WF earbuds for longer.